In this video tutorial, I am going to share with you about redirecting your domain main page uh, to any page that you want. Steve has raised the question that since we are using our domain name slash blog as our main page, and when someone goes to our domain name without typing the blog slash blog, they can see the folders inside, and that's first thing, that's not a good impression. Secondly, even though it's not editable, but still can pose some security challenges. So how do we change it? How do we make it that such work in such a way when someone just types our domain name without any slash and blog or any folder name, so they go to any, we can make them to go to any page uh, actually, and not see whatever is under direct domain name. So in this tutorial I will try to cover that, and so let's get on with this. Actual page is this one, where we are putting our blog. So we want them to either come to this page, or even we can make them to go to any page that we want when they just type this name, and they don't type any subfolder, and they end up going here. So we can do something that makes them, they will make it to go to any page where we want them to go. In order to do that, I will send out a link, a code, HTML code file, and just follow the instructions here. This is the code file, and let's say I want them to, when they type this tgmarketingcode.com, they should automatically go to this page. So what I have to do is I just add URL here, then another add URL, and add URL, save. Once I do that, then I need to be logged in on my HostGator account. And okay, so on my HostGator account control panel, or even any other service provider, hosting provider, they all have this file manager, and I just go to click go. So I might have more than one website hosted on my service provider. So I need to be very carefully checking. See, this one have so many folders. I need to go to tgmarketingcode.com. That is my website folder, not any other folder, but my website folder is here, tgmarketing.com. You will have your website, whatever name, .com or .net or whatever here. You click on this. Don't go into the blog folder, because blog folder is inside one more layer. We don't want to go to there. We just want to go to the main tgmarketing.com, and here you will see there is a one folder there, that's blog. What I want to do is I want to upload a file, and that file is, I have just now worked on that file, that's index. Okay, here that file is index. Open. So it says has completed. So I can close this window and I go back to my cPanel. I reload. You won't see until you reload this page. Somewhere it will say reload. So here it is, reload. Just press reload button there. And this time you will see index.html. Okay, so now we have done the redirecting process and now it's time to check it. Uh, I want to go to tgmarketingcode.com and I don't type blog it. I just type this and I press enter and it will bring me to directly this page. So this way people will not go to your main domain name folder and they won't be able to see your subfolders, that's blog, and you can actually set up other WordPress sites also on that folder. So that's how it's called. This process is called redirecting. So we are redirecting our main domain name to a subfolder with the same domain name, and this will uh, solve the issue that we are facing. And now we can actually safely promote whatever our domain name.com without putting blog to that, because anyone tries to go there, they will actually end up in on our uh, place where we have set up the website. So that's a good thing in itself. So hopefully you find this helpful. Please do that. It's an important step for you to do after you have set up your website.